So I'm so glad that you actually visit me. Thank you so much.
Exactly. And then we're going to do a bit of a collaboration. So hopefully
Yeah.
we're going to work together a little bit about Japanese language and what we can actually achieve. So from my experience, I used to practice Japanese through mostly textbooks, right? And at first I just learned the alphabet, some hiragana, and some phrases like kore wa pen desu, like typical phrases that they teach you. But when it comes to actually proper conversation, it's useless. And when I try to look for Japanese teachers online, most of them are teaching from the book or wanting to just teach grammar. So they keep teaching you grammar exercises and you get very bored because it's not interesting stuff to actually practice. So when I started your course, your point is you can help them to master speaking first. If they want to do grammar, they can probably find somewhere else that could just teach the grammar. And you said that in 3 months you can become a good Japanese speaker, right? So that was like quite an amazing thing that you promoted. 私はロブです。ロブと呼んでください。私はイギリス人です。ロンドンの田舎でチェシントンにあります。チェシントンには一番なのはチェシントンワールドアドベンチャーです。
So we started just easy conversation. It was good. But when it comes to reading, doing the sentences, it was just reading the pronunciation in alphabet. So it didn't sound like natural at all. His confidence is just amazing, fantastic. And section 3, he questioning a lot to me. He's not afraid to make a mistake. Originally, he's not timid person, but he doesn't hesitate, spit out the word, and that helps a lot. And then he just amazing, 100%.
いたか子がチェシントン子供のっていう子供のはかないを with 友達とある2回レストランはピザリアです。時々クラブは友達にある
友達と
人my job. I didn't practice this part. チャンネルといいね、サブスクライブください。私の名前はロバートです。イギリスのチェシントン出身です。チェシントンはロンドンの南の方にあります。私はクッキーやケーキを作るのが得意で、コッテンハムクッキーという自分のお店を持っています。I like apple juice.
Apple juice.
リンゴのジュース。
So, if you want to change your life with a Japanese speaking skill, seriously, join our master course, 2 months. So, you can be ready to communicate with Japanese people after 2 months. So, for example, you can maybe make Japanese friends, you can enter the Japanese company, you can try more conversation with Japanese people every day. So, that's why your speaking skill grow up every day. So these 2 months, we're gonna make the foundation of your Japanese speaking skill. Then you can start speaking with Japanese people, real life or social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, or anywhere that you can actually have the chance to speak. So If you really want to change your life, seriously use Japanese communication skill, speech skill, presentation skill, for the business, for the private. Let's join the master course.